Germany has supported Ghana since independence, since 1957, and the fields of cooperation, of course, have adapted to the needs of Ghana. Currently, we are supporting in the field of renewable energy, in the field of sustainable economic development and accountability. And of course, one of the pressing issues in Ghana is youth unemployment, and we are trying to help out or provide opportunities, especially in the field of sustainable economic development. One of the major fields where government of Ghana has requested Germany's support is in the field of technical and vocational education and training, so TVET. We are helping the Commission on TVET in Ghana to reform the whole sector, which means revamping NVTI and other training institutions to update the curriculum and to especially bring on board industry and other businesses to share with government institutions what their current training needs are, so that the curricula are adapted to industry standards, so that graduates from technical universities, but also from technical training institutes like NVTI and others, do come with skills and qualifications which make them employable or which make them fit for self-employment. Because many young Ghanaians have very entrepreneurial spirit, and many of those which succeed actually later become employers for others. And that is where we believe we can really make a change for young people. Of course, on top comes our scholarship program. So once people have gone to Germany and acquired knowledge, we believe that they bring skills and competences back, which will also move Ghana forward once these people are given the chance to act in responsible positions and in higher up positions where they actually can influence decision making for the benefit of the country.
I'm a DAAD alumnus, and I've been participating in a lot of DAAD alumni events. Counting from 2019 to 2021 now, I think I've attended like 6 events, and I say the events are very, very helpful. Attending these DAAD events come with a lot of benefits one could accrue. When we meet like this, we have individuals with different expertise. I'm an environmental engineer and environmental scientist. We meet with those from public health, those from physics, those from mathematics, those from music and dance. All of them bring their perspectives to the DAAD programs. Sometimes we may take a topic and we are discussing it. Because of my scientific background, I may look at it from that scientific perspective. But those from other backgrounds, like music and dance, will also look at it from the way their music and dance could help influence the said topic in question. So the DAAD events are indeed very, very useful and very, very important to all of us.
Personally, within the past year or two, from 2020 to 2021, I've had about 8 invitations to DAAD alumni events. And these events, I must say, they have direct impact as well as indirect impact. To be frank, the indirect impact seems to be more than the direct impact. And the indirect impact has to do with providing a platform for social networking for DAAD alumni, especially those who are in academia and who are in various fields of work. They tend to have a lot of pressure from work. So at times you need the platform for us to get together again, to refresh and to revitalize, to get back to work. And the DAAD alumni events provide a platform for the alumni. When we meet each other, we're happy, we're excited, and this helps us a lot in making impact in our various fields of work. Also, the DAAD alumni events help us to provide support for colleagues who are also looking for opportunities. And to be frank, even for today's meeting, we had colleagues who have met others who are leading them to find jobs. And so there's a great impact in the lives of the DAAD alumni. If you stay in your own corner without getting together with your colleagues, you don't know the opportunity that exists. So DAAD is offering us the opportunity. When we meet, we give the links to others to get connections and then jobs. Today, for instance, we received communication from DAAD office, the representative, about an application for those in academia, the DS program, the new lead program in Germany. This information we only get when we get in touch with such platform, the alumni events. It is wonderful. There are alumni who are also organizing community events, especially in the UCC group of the DAAD alumni. We know we're on record. We have gone to community to offer service and donate items to them. That is impressive. There is an impact from a DAAD alumni group in such events. That's exciting for us. We also talk of the direct impact we make as alumni in our various fields of work. When we come together, we share knowledge, and this knowledge and education we receive help improve our work. The knowledge sharing, for instance, I learned a lot of technologies through the alumni events organized in the past two events I had. We had one also in Tamale where speakers and facilitators share interesting technologies which by ourselves we wouldn't know, but when we come together, it provides an opportunity to learn new technologies and you apply new ways. So you make impact.
So far, that workshop has been very impactful, especially with this as a way of evaluating the various DAAD workshops we've been organizing. I have been an organizer, and so for this particular workshop, it's given me a direction to also look at in organizing DAAD workshop events.
Such a delight to be part of this workshop. I've attended a couple of workshops, several workshops spanning across the country, all addressing different issues related to agriculture, health, public policy, and there's been a lot of impact so far. Most of these workshops often have, different stakeholders at the different offices that need to carry this information forward, and most of the alumni too are from different backgrounds, and so we get to learn every day different aspects that we can implement in our own daily lives and also in our own community outreach. Most of the alumni workshops, has become a means where other initiatives are born out, like what happened in Cape Coast, where they were able to distribute nose masks, hand sanitizers, branded with DAAD, to people, and also sensitize a lot of people about the impacts of COVID-19. I've also organized the workshop, and this workshop was on floriculture. So mostly we kind of had an initiative later on that we reached out to most of the people that do floriculture, especially in Accra, and train them on a couple of things to do, to improve on production, to also improve on their income. So far, I believe the alumni events are very impactful, and this event today is a great way for us to, come together and, improve and increase, the community impact and also our contributions towards the realization of the Sustainable Development Goals.